Hey everyone, welcome back to our new video. If you are having trouble with Microsoft Store not working on your Windows, don't worry, follow my tips to fix the problem. Before going to fix, if you are new here, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest video notification. If Microsoft Store not working on your Windows, then first of all you have to check whether your internet is working properly or not. If there is no issue on your internet, then try next. Check for Windows Update. Go to the setting, then click on the Windows Update and install any available updates. If the error is persistent, then go to the next. Reset the Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows plus R button and type wsreset.exe and press the enter. A blank command prompt window will open, and after about 10 seconds the window will be closed and the store will open automatically. After doing this, check the error and try next. Run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Go to the setting and then click on System and then Troubleshoot and go to the other troubleshooters. Find the Windows Store app and click the Run button. Next solution is check date and time settings. Sometimes wrong time and date cause the error. To correct, go to the setting and then go to time and language and then click on date and times and make sure date and time are set correctly. Reinstall Microsoft Store. Open the PowerShell, run as administrator. For go to the search bar and search PowerShell. Right click on it and select the run as administrator. Now type here this command, copy and paste and press the enter. Again check the error is persistent, then try to the next solution. Check for the corrupted system files. Open command prompt as run administrator. Click on the command prompt, right click on it and select as run as administrator. Type sfc space / scan now, press enter. I hope you like this video and it may be help to correct the Microsoft Store error. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.